What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Freezy. I'm here to make it look easy, and today, y'all, we out here fishing. You feel me? We out here getting it. You know, we grinding. Got my boy Tristan in the cut. You feel me? Got my boy Kez, my boy Trav over there. You know, hey, the fish is here. The fish is here. Tristan caught his couple of fish already. And, you know, and we steady trying to get right. We steady trying to get right. You know what I'm saying? It's like 1, 2 o'clock right now. So, you know, they out here, but they ain't out here. But they out here, though. Y'all, he got one right here. He got one right here. It's a decent size one, too. Kid's trying to get him. Yeah, that's a bad case. Get him. Get him. Keep on it, kid. He waiting, too. He waiting on it. You see the other one coming to it. He finna hit it. He finna hit that mug. He finna hit that mug. He finna hit it. Bro, it's like 4 of them right there waiting on it. I guess he waiting on all the other fish to get out the way. He finna hit that mug, y'all. Bro, I wish I could see this. It's literally right there, y'all. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Bro, what's wrong with the damn fish? Hit the damn thing. I'm saying. I don't know why he not hitting it, though. No, he wanted it though. He was trying to get it. But yeah, y'all, we out here getting it. I'm finna get ready to throw this chicken liver. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right. All right, y'all. We still out here. We still going hard fishing. You feel me? It's getting good, bro. The fish coming out. It's bigger bass coming out. I don't know if y'all can see him. And here I'm scared I'm gonna fall. But look, it's a bass right there. He right here waiting. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, camera, come on. But yeah, it's bigger fish, bigger bass in there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, they in there, y'all. They are in there. But we throwing small stuff right now. I don't know if they waiting. They must be waiting on something. Cause I'm finna throw some chicken liver in there. You know. Got my boy Trav. Where my boy Trav at? Trav! Trav right here, y'all. He in the cut. You know what I'm saying? He trying to get it. Hey, y'all. I'm gonna be getting the boat soon. A little John boat. So, you know, we gonna be in the cut. We gonna be in there. In the middle. Hey. Tell them what's up, man.
I just saw like 18 catfish over there, bro.
Hey. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm finna throw that chicken liver, y'all. We finna see what's up. We finna see what's up. Okay, y'all, we are at McDonald's. Me and my boy Tristan, we are going to another place. Man, y'all, I kid y'all not, I am so eager to catch my first bass, but y'all don't understand, bro. We almost there. Like we almost caught that one just now, as y'all seen. Got my boy Tristan in the cut with me. We at McDonald's right now eating. You feel me? Yeah, I'm eating bad, y'all. You know, McDonald's, but you know, hey, we getting back right during the week. But yeah, y'all, we going to Bulow, gonna see if we get some. Me and Tristan was fighting. We was fighting to get a bass for like 1 bass for like 30 minutes, damn near what it felt like. It was crazy, just one. And we was almost getting him. He was biting us, and then he did not bite us. And you know, it was a battle. It was a battle. But we gonna see y'all at Bulow. Okay, y'all, we finally made it to the other spot. Trav and Kez right over there. They caught right there. You feel me? And hey, we here now, y'all. We are here at the other spot. And you know, hey, it's getting busy. So yeah, check it out. Yeah, hey.
It's lit.
Yeah.
I got my phone in my pocket. I got it, guys.
Look, y'all. My bait. Please don't fall, bro. Stay back, bro. Stay back. Don't fall up into the camera, bro. No bull.
Boy, they really in there.
Oh my God. Dang it!
I got my bait. Hey, y'all. It was gonna get bad. Cameraman almost busted his ass. I almost bust mine. But hey, We gonna keep on fishing, bro. Bro, that was gonna be so bad, son. Oh my God, I was gonna be so mad, bro. Tell y'all, this is my new fudge. Ah! Oh.
Don't mess with me,
Yeah, man. This is my new swim bait I got right here. You feel me? Hey, this mud good. It swims good through the water. You know, I'm out here trying to get it, bro. Trying to get it, y'all. It's a scarce day. We ain't hit nothing today. I mean, we did catch stuff at the first one we was at, but they wanted to leave. The cameraman and that dude right there, they wanted to leave. But you know. Oh shit, they catch this shit over there.
Sorry.
Yeah. Woo. Hey, y'all. Like I said. Okay, y'all, we are back at the other spot. It's just me and Tristan. Kez and Trav. They ran out, and we got this bass right here, y'all. Bass is coming through right here. Bro, they coming. They here too. Yup, they bass over here. You don't see any brim? Yeah, y'all. This spot is just beautiful, bro. This is beautiful. Me and Tristan found it. And we're gonna be coming back here. And then pretty soon I'm about to get a boat. We're gonna be weighing them out. Yeah, they all right here, bro. All right there. You think they probably on that other spot too? The ones down that way? Tristan just caught the bass. What you caught them on?
Watermelon red.
Hey, the watermelon rig is hitting, bro. I'm finna start throwing mine now. Bruh. Oh my goodness. Tristan, tell him what's up, man. Tell him how you feeling right now. Tell him how you feeling.
He's little, but.
Yeah. He'll do. He'll do. Alright, y'all. We're closing this video out, man. Hey, we wore out today. My boy Tristan caught, what you call it, 7? Caught 7 fish and he only caught 1 bass. You feel me? But this pond, lake or whatever, it got potential, y'all. It got potential. And we were just stumbling, like driving around, and we stumbled upon it and found it. You know, yeah, he caught like 7 brim, and then I mean 6 brim, and then that 1 bass. Cause they out here for sure. Like for real. I don't know what that is though. It looks like a frog or something. What is it? I can't really see it. It's something. Oh shit! It's something at the bottom.
No, white thing?
Yeah, something. Oh, this little small fish. But yeah, y'all. Man, hey, we was out here getting it, bro. We gonna be coming out here a lot more often. And I feel like this gonna be where I catch my first bass at, y'all. This is where I'm gonna catch my first bass at. It's a drought for me, bro. I'm new to bass fishing, you feel me? If y'all got any tips for me, go ahead and give me some tips, bro. No homo. But yeah, man, hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And at the end of the day, I'm trying to be your favorite YouTuber. Love y'all. Peace.
Turn this shit up. Misunderstood. Before I go selling my soul, I'm a trap in the hood. Let's go. They wanna hear about my past, like straight from the dirt. Now we living a fast life. Broke as a fuck, ain't nobody do shit for me, bitch. I was watching you stack up. Don't reach out for nothing if you ain't around me right now. Then you better just back up.